Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julianna and I'm glad you guys could make it. I'm sick and I don't like being sick close to the holidays, but I am sick, so that means we gotta film while being sick. So I'm super sorry about that, but I'm super excited for today's video. I'm filming a makeup tutorial for you guys with the Kylie Jenner Summer Palette. I love this palette so much. I've used it once and I love it that much, like, already. I have all my products right here in front of me and I'm ready to film a makeup tutorial for you guys, so please subscribe down below if you're interested in seeing more makeup tutorials and more beauty videos in general. Also, turn that post notification bell on so that every time I upload a new video, you guys are notified. I love you guys so much, and let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with my foundation. I've already put chapstick on and moisturized, but I'm gonna put on the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. Shake it up. I love this foundation. It's a light to medium coverage, but you can make it into a full coverage by just adding another layer. But I personally like light to medium coverage. I don't really like a lot of full coverage stuff. I'll grab my beauty blender, which is like super dirty, and blend. Voila, I got my foundation on. Super simple. It looked good. Even though I'm sick, my eyes are gonna be red, but you know, we gotta at least make me look a little bit cute. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take my favorite concealer that you see in every single one of my makeup tutorials, and it's the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. Girl, this stuff is like the OG, the bomb. We have to use the We have to use the Tarte tape. I cannot talk. We have to use the Tarte Shape Tape because it's just a staple and it's a loved item in my makeup collection, and I always have this with me. So I put it under my eyes, on my chin, on my nose, and that's about it. Okay, I'm kind of retarded today. Okay, so let's get blending. There we go. I think, yeah. So that's my concealer and my foundation. That's probably the longest part of this makeup tutorial, is just putting that on. Now I'm gonna take my powder. You see this powder in every single one of my makeup tutorials, but you know, it's just a staple again. So it's the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Powder in Light Ivory. So yeah, gotta put that on over top to set my foundation and concealer. And I'm gonna take this big fluffy Ulta Beauty brush. Bam! Alright, so I'm gonna leave it like that for now, and I'm gonna start with the eyes now. So I'm super excited to show you guys a makeup tutorial with this palette, because this palette I got as an early Christmas gift from my grandparents, and I'm gonna be showing this palette in my what I got for Christmas video. So you're already seeing like a little sneak peek of what I got, which is fun, but you know, this palette is everything and it's amazing. And the colors are so pretty. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so these are the colors. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna start out by taking this really fluffy brush from Ulta Beauty. I use like the Ulta Beauty brushes, if you can't tell. And I'm gonna take Okay, at her. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take this color right here. It's like a pretty brown. Okay. Okay. Got that in my crease. Now I'm gonna take this brown next to it right here, and I'm gonna add that over top of it to kind of intensify it. Well, I'm gonna add it, actually I'm gonna add it in the outer V part to intensify it, and I'm gonna take this stiffer blending brush. There we go. It looks orange, like it looks different on your skin, but it's like a brown. It does not look brown. So that's weird. Okay. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take this copper color right here, this really shimmery copper, and I'm gonna take it on my finger and put it all over my lid, so that I have like a really bright lid color. There we go. And now I'm gonna add the, like this reddish brown color over here. And I'm gonna add that on top of it, you know? Vavoom! I look orange now. Very orange. And I like it a lot. So that's really everything I'm gonna do on the top for now. I'll come back and do the lower lash like when I'm done finishing up everything. Now I'm gonna put mascara on. I don't ever wear eyeliner very much, so I'm gonna take the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's just a staple. And put that in my lid. Okay. Got some mascara on. I got a smear. It's awesome. Okay. Next, I'm gonna do my brows. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Okay. Next, I'm gonna do my face. So I'm gonna bronze with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in Park Avenue Princess. Now I put pan on this a little bit. Ulta Beauty Kabuki brush. And I bronzed, and then my nose hurts. I do the DLS blush in Kitty Pink. I've never used this before, but today's the day. It's a really pretty mauve pink color. Okay. After I do all that, I'm gonna go back to my palette and I'm gonna do the lower lash. So all I'm gonna do is take the stiffer blending brush, and I'm gonna take that same like orange that I put on top of the shimmery copper tone, and I'm just gonna bring it down here. And there we have it. And then last but not least, I'm gonna take this Kylie Liquid Matte Liquid Lipstick in Angel and put that on my lips. So there you have it. I did this makeup tutorial really quickly. Psych, you thought. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And also subscribe down below. I love you guys so much. And I'm super proud of the look that I created. And I hope you recreate the look the same. All these products will be linked down below. So if you guys want to go purchase them yourself, you can. And I love you guys so much. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.